Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. So today I want to show you guys about the new shapes that Canva just rolled in. It has been there for quite some time now. I think last month because I've seen it. So I feel maybe some people might not have known about it. So that's why I'm creating this tutorial so you can see how you can use it and why it's important. Okay, you can find it under elements. Before I proceed, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please you can do that now. Thank you. So go to elements and we have it under lines and shapes. So these are lines and these are shapes and um, network. Please. Let me just switch over to a faster network. So we have lines here. Pardon me. Just going to switch this to a much more faster network. Where are you? Okay, so that's it. Now, these are lines and these are shapes and these are other shapes. So before now, the only shape that you can find on this section is this particular shape here. Okay, we have this and we have this. Okay, they just edited this because the last time I checked, there was still like you can still find this particular shape 1 2 3 4 here. Okay, so what's peculiar about this particular shapes? The new one that Canva just rolled in is this particular one, the one you can find here. Okay, this is the new ones. Why this one was the one that was here already? This one was here before. Here you have the square. Okay, we have the square, we have the circle, and those particular shapes. I think it's still this. Hold on. Yep. So that's it. Now, this new shape that Canva just rolled out, it's you can now look at you can adjust it from all angles. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This particular square shape you can still find it in the previous one. Okay, you can adjust it at all points. Even the circle you can adjust it at all points, just like the previous one. Why the previous one you could adjust only these two. Okay, but you could not adjust something like this from all points, and something like this you could not adjust it, like reduce, increase. You could not adjust it like this. Okay, you could only adjust it. Let me show you an example. Look at this. See the difference? I'm going to show you the difference. Let me just delete this. We have this heart here, and then we have this heart here. So two hearts here. Now you see the difference. This one you can adjust here, and here. Why this one just those 4 points? This. Okay, so you can see the difference. I just give you a clear um illustration. So I'm gonna delete this and then show you another reason why this one is really amazing. Now, if I click on this, I want to change the color to this. Okay, I can add text inside Kelechi. Increase the size of the text and change the color. I hope I can change this color. Change this color sometime. Okay, yeah. Sorry, this is where I can change the color white. So can adjust it from all angles, and I really love this one because I don't think we had this before. This particular shape, I don't think I had it before. You can adjust it, adjust it, adjust it. So that's pretty much it. You can find it under lines and shapes. Okay, this particular section, not the one below. Okay, this ones you cannot adjust it the way you can adjust this ones. Every single shape here can be adjusted that way. Okay, I hope you use it, and that's just all I wanted to share with you guys today. So, bye bye. Till and please subscribe. I'm going to be sharing another video tutorial very soon. Subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you guys, and bye bye.